Hello, my name is Casey Stubbs, and I have an exciting announcement. I'm going to be trading live with John Melly, who's our head trading coach, for 2 weeks in a live environment, and we're inviting you to come. And I'm very excited about this because it is going to be teaching traders how to make weekly cash flow and consistency. That's our mission, is to teach traders to be consistent week in, week out. And so it's going to be live 2 weeks with John and myself, and the date is starting at April 1st at 8 a.m. Eastern. And if you can be there live, that we want to see you there. Now, if you can't make it, we still teach you and train you and give you tools to have success, as well as the videos and the recordings of the sessions. This is what I have performed in the last 2 weeks, so you get an idea of what you'll be learning. Out of the 2 weeks, you'll notice that I only had 2 days that were down, 1 and 2, and the rest of the days were profitable, and that's what you're going to be learning, and you're going to be seeing me do it. I'm going to show you each and every trade. And I want to talk about trading in general and what we have been able to accomplish. So one of the things is that trading's really tough. And I have worked hard at mastering trading, but really my biggest concern in the last few years is how to teach that to others. And learning to trade is difficult, but the task of teaching people from the beginning to end and have a very high success rate, that's been the ultimate challenge. But what we've done, what we discovered, is we made a very hard task and we made it simple. And so the thing I want to break apart for you is that it was not easy for us to do this. We worked very hard to make it simple. But how did we do it? Well, we introduced this thing that we're calling the Funded Trader's Quest. It's starting on April 1st, and it's broken down into 4 parts. And I'm going to break those down. So number 1, we made something very difficult we created one simple method. There's no confusion. We have made this easy for any trader to learn. The second part of this is a trading community. Make friends for life. We are a family. We're there for each other. And so that we created the greatest strategy and made it simple. And then we built a family and a community to help each other, because really you need a family to help enforce those values. The third thing is that we give you tools. It's a systematic approach to growth. So the fourth thing is that we're providing funding. If you pass our prop firm test, you'll get up to $1 million in funds. And so now let's talk about the benefits of what happens if you can master trading. You'll gain time. You'll gain a lot of time, and you'll get freedom. You'll be able to be successful. You'll get the freedom to do what you were meant to be. You're never going to have any fear. You'll know what to expect in trading. You don't have to worry about winning or losing, because you'll know what the system does. Now, here's exactly what you'll be getting when you sign up with us. You're going to get live trading and live alerts. You're going to get a live chat and trading community with trade updates and a family. You'll get 50 recorded videos, which are really powerful and training to help you with a simple method, and that's valued at $14.97. You also get recordings of all the sessions each and every day. That's a $497 value. You're going to learn what we call our A-plus setup. That is valued at $997. And then you're going to get access to our coaches, myself and John. And I was just hosting the How to Trade It podcast, and one of the things that really stood out to me was that my friend Tony, who's a great trader, he didn't get success until he reached out and asked for help. And sometimes we're afraid to ask. But if you're in our community and you're a family, you're going to ask and you're going to love it and you're not going to be afraid. But reaching out and getting help sometimes is the difference between success and failure. You'll get our MetaTrader beginner course. You'll get our Epic Trade Manager valued at $297. Access to our top rated support team. We're rated 91% satisfaction. Also, if you look at some of the results here, Beckingham loves it. He finally cracked the code. John, who's our coach now, he was a construction worker. He desired to be a great trader, and he finally learned how to be successful. This is some of the trades that John has done. Here's some more trades where he closed out $20,000 in profit. And here's some more trades from John where he made $113,000. Very good. Grew his account really rapidly. And then Mark traded for 10 years. He never had any help. And then he asked for help, and he got with us after 4 weeks, was successful. So he really did a great job. And then Mark just said, look, I made 350, then 776, then 1152. Imagine what that would be like for you if you could do that. And what would it mean for you if you could earn $2,500 a month? And so I just want to let everyone know that we're starting this trading challenge. We're starting it on April 1st, and you can get it for $79 a month. I would love to see you in there. We're going to be trading day in, day out. I'm excited to be there with you. Just go ahead and click that link below and get started right now. Thank you so much.